So now we're going to create a record set with multiple tables. File, new, and create PHP file. Call multiple. Then click in our body and click on MySQLi record set. In our record set name, in this case we're going to call states. Let's go to Query Builder, and we have our states table, and we're going to drop our countries. Now we know that in our states table, it's a field called country ID that match exactly with the ID from country table. So to establish a relation between them, only drag and drop the arrow. For this example, we're going to use only the name from the states and the name from our countries. We go to Advanced. In the function, click None, and state name as. We're going to click in State. Function, None, and country name as country. If we want to create any filter, we can create just here. For example, we're going to use the right join where country name it's equal to United States. Then we are going to sort by name ascending. We click on OK, and we can test this one. Now we see that we have retrieved all the states from United States ordered by state's name. We click OK, we click OK. For this example, we're going to create a simple table. So let's create an insert table. We're going to create 2 rows by 2 columns by 500 pixels. Now we have created our table. So here we're going to put states, and we are going to put country. In this table row, we're going to put from our bindings panel our state, and our countries. Let's preview in our browser. We have states, country, and a list of states. So for display the entire list of states, we need to create our repeating region. Let's return to Dreamweaver and select the entire table row. From here, we can go to WebAssist, MySQLi, Repeat Region. Click on State and display all records. Click OK. Now we see that WebAssist creates all the code needed to create the repeating region. So let's go to display in browser. We have the state, country, and the entire list of states.